Warning, this video is gonna be very confusing. On the previous video, which I will put the link to it at the end of this video. If you haven't watched it, go ahead and watch it. We said that British English and American English use different words to refer to the same thing. For example, pavement and sidewalk, jumper and sweater, lift and elevator, etc. It turned out that even when they use the same word and they agree on it, they spell it differently. Isn't that frustrating? Absolutely. Therefore, in today's video, we're gonna see some of the most commonly used words that are spelled differently. So be ready to get confused and let's get it started. Hello and welcome back to Ink Vibes. As I mentioned earlier, today's video is going to be about the different spelling between British English and American English. When they use the same word, however, they spell it differently. We're gonna divide this video into 4 levels: level 1, level 2, level 3, and level 4. So stay tuned and watch till the end. Let's jump into it. Level 1, very common. On the left side, we have the British English spelling. On the right side, we have the American English spelling. The first word is color, C-O-L-O-U-R. American English, they don't use the U. There is no U in color, C-O-L-O-R. Same thing with favorite. As you can see, favorite, V-O-U. Favorite in the American English, they don't use the U. Favorite, favorite. Center, C-E-N-T-R-E. Center in American English, they use C-E-N-T-E-R. I believe the reason why is the end of this word, we don't pronounce it tr, it's ter. Same thing with theater, theater. The Americans spell it T-E-R as we pronounce it. Traveling with double L, traveling with one L. I think the British English consider it a short word, so they double the last consonant. The Americans consider the word travel as long because it has 2 syllables, so they don't apply this rule, the CVC rule. That's why there is only one L. British English, they double because it's CVC. The rule says double the last consonant. And the last word is program. Double M-E, program with one E in the American English. Have a look. Color, color, favorite, favorite, center, center, theater, theater, traveling, traveling, and program, program. Are we cool? Okay. We're done with level 1. Move on to the second level. Level 2. Very searched. A lot of students and learners look up these words in dictionaries and try to understand the differences. We gathered them here. Again, left side is for British English spelling, right side for American English spelling. The first word is realize, as you can see, S-E. Realize in American English is spelled Z-E. Same thing with organize, S-E. Organize, Z-E. I believe it's because of the sound. You know, the end of the word is Z sound. So the British spell it with S. The Americans use the sound. As you can see, we hear Z. Organize. So they use the letter Z. Defense, C-E. With defense, S-E in American English. The same thing with the word license when it's a noun. License, CE is British English. License SE is American English. However, here is the problem. They use S because of the sound S. Practice, as you can see, when it's verb, they use British English use SE. They flip. It's like they never agree. Practice in American English is spelled with CE. How is that possible? Let me know in the comment section, please. Why is this so? Level 3, double letter. Double letter. British English, American English. So the first word is traveling. The American English is traveling. So traveling with double L, traveling with one L. The reason why, as we said, there is rule when there are consonant, vowel, consonant. One consonant is between two vowels and the word is short. The rule says we double the last consonant. So we double the L and we add ing. For the Americans, the word travel is long, so we don't need to double the last consonant. They don't apply this rule on the word travel. Same thing with cancelled. Double L, ED. Cancelled in American English is spelled with one L. Modeling, the same thing. Modeling, one L in American English. Labeled, double L. British English, double L. American English, one L. Again, these words for the British English, they are short. We double the L. For them, for the American English, no, they are long, so we don't double. If you are taking the IELTS, follow the British English spelling. If you are taking the TOEFL, follow the American English spelling. Are we cool? And the last one, level 4, which is a little bit advanced. Left for British English, right for American English. The first word is check. The book, the checkbook you get in the bank. QUE. American English, check, ECK. It's like the sign check. However, we are not talking about that sign. We're talking about the book you get at the bank. The color gray is spelled with E. Americans spell it with A. Gray. Mold, M-O-U-L-D. Mold in American English, they don't use U, just like favorite. We saw the previous list, the first one. Tire is spelled with Y. Tire in American English is spelled with I. Plough, P-L-O-U-G-H in British English. And Americans, they spell it P-L-O-Y, P-L-O-W, just like cow or now, cow, C-O-W, now, N-O-W. So check, we're talking about the book, check, gray, gray. They are pronounced the same way. Mold, mold. There's no problem with the pronunciation. Tire, tire. And plough, P-L-O-U-G-H in British English. American English, P-L-O-W, just like now or cow. All right, that's it for today. If you like this video, kindly share it with your friends, comment and subscribe if you are new. Let me know about your opinion. Why do you think these differences happen and exist? So till the next time, keep learning, keep vibing with Bing Vibes. Take a good care of yourselves. See ya. Bye-bye.